Hey Divas, Kaden here and welcome back to Chef It Up Fridays. On the menu, as you can see by the title, I'll be doing oven jerk chicken. Yes, I said it, oven jerk chicken, because I won't be doing it on a grill or anything. I'll be doing it in my oven. So first I went ahead, clean, wash and season my chicken, let them marinate. That yellow thing you see me rubbing in, it's some blended seasoning, so I'm ensuring that I seasoned it properly. I went ahead, seasoned it, then transferred it to my Pyrex dish. So I went ahead, placed them in the Pyrex dish and then cover it with some foil paper and add it to the oven. My oven is already preheated, so all I have to do is just put the chicken in. As you can see, I'm using leg quarters and not like cutting up some old chicken because I want that jerk chicken vibe. Once I took all the chicken from the bowl, I like to go ahead and add that extra juice to the chicken. That's all seasoned. You can see the pimento seeds and all. After that, I went in with some butter, cover it and put it in the oven. Here's how I like to do my jerk chicken in the oven. I cover it, put it in the oven, let it cook on 360 for about 45 minutes, removed it, add some sauce and then put it back in the oven. I do not cover it the second time, just put it in the oven, let it catch that color and let all that season cook in properly. This is me removing my chicken from the oven for the first time, and then I'm gonna go and remove the foil paper, pierce the chicken with a fork to ensure that all that blood comes out. You don't want a raw chicken. Once I did that, I went ahead and threw that excess juice off. You are going to need that excess juice, so throw it in something that you're going to use, then add a pot to the stove, and that's what I'm going to use to make my sauce. To make my sauce, I use that excess juice that I got from the chicken along with some barbecue sauce, ketchup, and some jerk seasoning. Once I added all the ingredients to make my sauce, I just leave it on the stove, let it cook until it becomes thick. Once the sauce was done, I removed it from the heat. added to the chicken. At first I was using the brush, but I realized that was taking too much time, so I went ahead and pour everything over the chicken and then use the brush to further spread it out. Once I was done spreading the sauce, I put the chicken back in the oven for round 2. I didn't cover it because, as I said earlier, I wanted to get that nice brown color. And no, my chicken is not burnt. I like to let it stay in the oven until it gets dark. I like my jerk chicken to be like dry. I don't like it to be wet, so that's why it looks this dry. It's thoroughly cooked. And then here you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're new, subscribe and become a part of the Diva gang. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.